What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today, I'm going to be doing a very simple and easy get ready with me. And now the unit that I'm wearing today is from Amazon.com. I will definitely link down below the direct link for this unit, as well as all the products that I'm going to be using today on my face. So yeah, that's about it. If you guys would love to see how I achieve this look, just sit back, relax, and keep on watching. All right, y'all, so that wraps up this look for today. I really like this wig. I do. It's gonna have to grow on me, most definitely. I've never had a synthetic Chinese bang before. So far, it's very minimal shedding. Like, it does shed just a little bit. Well, I didn't get any strands just now, but yeah, it's very minimal shedding. It doesn't tangle too much. Like, it's been tangling just, oh, I did get one strand just now. But yeah, so other than that, the wig, I would say, is so far so good. I mean, I've only had it on for about 30 minutes now, but yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please do not forget to like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Turn on that notification bell if you have not already, so that way you will be notified each and every time your girl uploads a new video. But again, I thank you guys. I love you. Stay safe, stay blessed, and until next time.